How can I remind myself of an upcoming task? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get more daily tutorials. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new task created in Todoist. Then we'll be sending the details of that task as an email in Gmail. Alright, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be Todoist task to Gmail. And we're going to select our trigger by clicking in the trigger box. And we're going to be using Todoist as our trigger app, which is down here in my recent app section. You can also type Todoist into our search bar. The event we're going to monitor is new task created. We're going to make sure we're connected to our Todoist account. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of this video. The project ID that this workflow is going to monitor is my inbox. So whenever a new task is in my inbox, that's going to initiate this workflow. So we'll test that trigger. And we have a new task for the Beddingham-Stein-Shireworth presentation. I want to send the details of this task as an email. So I'll click continue here. For my action, I'm going to be using Google Gmail. The event is going to be the send email down here towards the bottom. Make sure I'm connected to my Gmail account. I'm just going to be sending this email to myself. So this is not information that's coming from the trigger. I'm just adding this email in manually. So whoever you want to be updated about the tasks, that's whose email address you want to type in here. You can also BCC or CC anybody else as well. The subject is going to come from the trigger. So I'm going to click on the plus sign, then come to this drop-down menu. And the content is going to be the subject of the email. And for the body, I'm going to write in the description. I'm going to click enter. I'm going to write the word do. And then I'm going to click the plus sign again. Come to my drop-down menu and find the date. Then I'm going to click continue and test the action. Looks like we have a success. I'll click continue here. I'm noticing that this node has a red dot here in our workflow, so I'm going to click on the trigger. Sometimes that's all it takes in order to reset the trigger and give it the green dot. Now I can look over at my inbox, and now you can see that email has been sent to myself with the title of the task, and then the detail of the task, and the due date. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. I can come back over to the workload editor, check and make sure that each of my nodes has a green dot, and then I can activate my workflow by clicking on the button here. And now every time there's a new task created in the inbox of my Todoist account, the details of that task will automatically be sent to myself in Gmail. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that will automatically send an email whenever a new task is created. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.